Euro dollar rejecting at a very key area of liquidity after obviously initially pumping to the upside here with the underwhelming FOMC decision. As I explained, the vote was largely in favor of keeping rates unchanged. 9 members wanted unchanged, only 3 for the hike. The credibility is definitely in question because he really sat on the fence. He didn't fully commit to rate hikes. And obviously, markets, a third of the markets were positioned for a possible hike in July. So the dollar came off under pressure because it wasn't delivered. And September probability and October, December, so on and so forth. The probabilities have all come down. So what happens now with euro? Obviously, this is the key, this area of liquidity. We've faced rejections there so far. Obviously, reversal, candlestick, closure below, making way for some further downside and for us to just remain in this mundane range, into the downside, obviously capped at 1380. So if we look at structure right now, obviously we're coming under some pressure at the Asian range, taking out the Asian range low. Watch out for potential pullbacks in to retest that 1450 area where a lot of stops were. Flush through, retest potential, making way further downside because obviously this whole inflation trade with US and Iran is a big thing, as I already explained. And if you follow me on X, you would know that you would have been ready for this. I said very, very soon we're likely to see US hitting Iran back. And we saw exactly that. Next major area of liquidity, as I say, is to the downside here. And then obviously further south, you guys know the protocol. Just be positioned for it. Know how to trade this whole inflation situation. If you don't, then check out all the resources below. You got a ton of resources, all my knowledge in there. If you want to access me directly, as I say, the waiting list is very much open for my next intake where I help you. You'll have me on your side. We'll break down everything just to ensure that you'll get you into a profitable state of trading and be able to tie in macros and technicals. Not just about macros and technicals. Yes, we put that all together, everything, both sides, but it's also about having me on your side to hold you accountable and ensure of your success. Other than that, guys, catch you on next update.